visit of His Excellency Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. First, the Memorandum of Understanding between the Department of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare of the Republic of India and the Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries of the Republic of Croatia on bilateral cooperation in the area of agriculture and related sectors, signed by Mr. David Vlajic, Deputy Prime Minister and the Minister of Agriculture, Fishery and Forestry, and His Excellency Dr. Jashikar, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of India.
Cultural exchange program between the government of the Republic of Croatia and the government of the Republic of India for the period of 2026 to 2030, signed by Mrs. Nina Obuljen-Koržinek, Ministry of Culture and Media of the Republic of Croatia, His Excellency Mr. Arun Goed, Ambassador of the Republic of India in the Republic of Croatia.